Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make sentences uh, bullet points. So I will do this sentence. I already prepared it, so I will make this sentence as a bullet point. Like when you do presentations, you need to mm, mean those sentences as a specific. To do that, you need to do bullet points. So I already made these three paras. So in here I will do that bullet point. So I will select this, then you can see that after clicking it you can see that the three bullet points made. So you can change it in that drop down menu. So this is the way you can do bullet points. So this is for today.